Hey guys, Boost Auto here. Today we will be installing our cargo lights and drive modification on 2014 to 2019 Chevy and GMC trucks. By default, GM does not allow the rear-facing cargo lights on the mirrors or bed to stay on when the vehicle is shifted into drive, as shown here. This video will show you how to install Boost Auto's wiring harness, which allows you to have the cargo lights on while in drive, as shown here. Prior to starting, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery or batteries. Begin by locating the body control module. It is located on the driver's side under the steering wheel. Locate the pink and light blue connectors. The pink connector is one over from the left, the light blue connector is one over from the right. Depress the latch and pull back on the connector to pull it out. On the pink connector, we will need to locate pin 26. Pin 26 is in the bottom row, one over from the right. Take your T-tap, place the wire from pin 26 directly in the jaws of the T-tap and clip it. On the blue connector, we will need to locate pin 18. Pin 18 is one row up from the bottom and three over from the left. Place the wire coming from pin 18 into the T-tap and clip it down. Locate the wire in pin 4 of the blue connector. Pin 4 is in the very top row. Take your T-tap and clip it onto the wire coming from pin 4. With the harness provided by Boost Auto, we will be connecting the black, red, and only one of the white wires. This is a universal harness, which is why we are not using all of the wires. Plug the black wire from the Boost Auto harness into the wire coming from pin 18 on the light blue connector. Now, take the red wire on the Boost Auto harness and plug it into the wire coming from pin 4 on the light blue connector. Using either of the white wires on the Boost Auto harness, plug it into the T-tap on the wire from pin 26 on the pink connector. Tape over the extra white wire with some electrical tape. This wire is not needed for this installation. Plug back in the BCM connectors. You should hear and feel them snap back into place. Lastly, tie the Boost Auto harness up and out of the way. In addition to the cargo lights and drive modification, Boost Auto also offers a cargo lights and reverse harness that can be installed in tandem with this modification. Just like that, your installation is complete. For safety reasons, while the vehicle is in motion, the cargo light button must be pressed and held for the cargo lights to remain active. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We are proud to offer a wide selection of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV to take your build to the next level. To watch more videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one.